Well, here it is, 8:30. Lots of dark outside. A whole lot of dark outside. I'm bored. I really tried to watch something on TV, couldn't find anything. So I'm bringing this gas tank. I'm going to release the Petcock in just a second, get the gusher going. And then I'm going to start the process of installing the new Petcocks. Because I'm bored and it's something to do. All right, it's 9 o'clock, so that took about 20 minutes. Both Petcocks are replaced. These are the new ones that are installed. And both sides feel good, fondle good, taste good, yabba dabba dabba. I haven't put the gas back in the tank yet. I'm just going to let I put a little bit of sealer on here, so I'm going to let that coagulate overnight. Let's see. The one thing, this is the gas that came out of it. I will filter it tomorrow through a rag before I put it back in, because it picked up some crud inside that gas tank. So I'll filter that out. Speaking of filters, these are the ones that I put onto the Petcocks that came out, and apparently JB Weld is gas proof because it's still nice and tight and not showing any signs of wear. I mean, it's only 24 hours, but what the heck, that ain't bad. So preliminary results are that JB Weld is in fact gas proof. Huh, interesting. So before I won't throw these away, I'll give them to the client. I will cut these filters out, save them just in case the next time I need them. Anyway, so the Petcocks are installed. I'll put gas in the tank tomorrow and continue with the project.